My name is Alvin, and I am 17 years old. I live in a small town with my family. My town is not very big, but it is a peaceful place. Every day, I wake up early in the morning. The sun is just starting to rise, and the birds are singing outside my window. I stretch my arms and get out of bed, feeling ready for the day. My morning starts with a simple routine. First, I brush my teeth and wash my face. The cold water wakes me up, and I feel fresh. After that, I go to the kitchen. My mom is usually there, preparing breakfast. She always makes sure I have something to eat before I leave for school. Sometimes, it's eggs and toast, and other times it's a bowl of cereal. I thank my mom for the breakfast and sit down to eat. While I eat, my dad reads the newspaper. He likes to keep up with the news. My dad works as an accountant, and he is very good with numbers. My mom works at a small bakery in town. She bakes delicious cakes and bread. I often help her in the bakery after school. It's fun to learn how to bake, and I love the smell of fresh bread in the oven. After breakfast, I grab my backpack and head out the door. The school is not far from my house, so I walk there. The walk to school is always nice. I see other students on the way, and we greet each other. The streets are quiet in the morning, and the air is cool. I like this time of day because everything feels calm. When I arrive at school, I meet my friends. We talk and laugh before the first class starts. My best friend's name is Jason. He is the same age as me, and we have known each other since we were little. We share many classes together, and we often study together after school. Jason is very good at math, and he helps me with my homework. In return, I help him with English because that is my favorite subject. The school day is usually busy. We have 6 classes every day, with a short break in between. My favorite class is English, as I mentioned before. I enjoy reading stories and writing essays. Our teacher, Mr. Thompson, is very kind and always encourages us to do our best. He says that writing is a way to express ourselves, and I believe him. I often write stories in my free time, and Mr. Thompson reads them for me. He gives me advice on how to improve, and I try to follow his suggestions. I also like history because it is interesting to learn about the past. Our history teacher, Mrs. Anderson, tells us stories about famous people and events. She makes history come alive, and I always look forward to her class. However, I am not very good at science. I find it difficult to understand all the concepts and experiments. But I try my best. My friend Jessica is very good at science, and she sometimes explains things to me when I don't understand. I am grateful for her help. Lunchtime is one of my favorite parts of the day. It's a time to relax and talk with friends. We usually sit together in the cafeteria. The food at school is not bad, but it's not as good as my mom's cooking. Sometimes, I bring my lunch from home. My mom packs me sandwiches or leftover pasta. My friends often trade food, and it's fun to see what everyone has. During lunch, we talk about many things. Sometimes we discuss our favorite movies or games. Other times, we talk about our future. Jason wants to be an engineer because he loves building things. Jessica wants to be a doctor. She says she wants to help people and make them feel better. As for me, I want to be a writer. I dream of writing books and telling stories that people will enjoy. I know it's not an easy job, but I am determined to follow my passion. After lunch, we have a few more classes before the school day ends. By the time the last class is over, I am usually tired. But I feel good because I know I have learned something new. After school, I sometimes go to the library. The library is a quiet place, and I like to read there. There are so many books to choose from, and I can spend hours looking for something interesting to read. I also do my homework there because it's easier to concentrate. On other days, I go to the bakery to help my mom. I enjoy working there. It's a small, cozy place with a warm atmosphere. The customers are friendly, and they often compliment my mom on her baking. I help by serving the customers or cleaning the tables. Sometimes, my mom teaches me how to bake different kinds of bread or cakes. I am getting better at it, and I hope one day I can bake as well as she does. In the evening, I usually meet up with my friends. We go to the park or play basketball at the court near my house. It's a good way to relax and have fun after a day of studying. I am not the best player, but I enjoy the game. We play until it gets dark, and then we all head home. At home, dinner is a special time for my family. We all sit together and talk about our day. My little sister, Emma, is in middle school. She always has funny stories to tell about her friends and teachers. My parents ask me about school, and I tell them what I learned that day. They are always interested in my studies and encourage me to work hard. After dinner, we often watch TV together. Sometimes we watch a movie or a TV show. Other times, we just talk. My parents are very supportive, and I feel lucky to have them. They always listen to my problems and give me good advice. Before bed, I like to read a book. Reading helps me relax, and it also helps me improve my English. I read different kinds of books, but I especially like adventure stories. They take me to different places and let me experience things that I can't do in real life. As I said before, my dream is to become a writer. I want to write stories that inspire people. I know it will take a lot of hard work, but I am ready for the challenge. I plan to study literature in college and learn more about writing. I want to improve my skills and write better stories. I also have other goals. I want to travel the world and see different cultures. I believe that traveling will give me new ideas for my writing. I want to visit places like Paris, New York, and Tokyo. I want to meet new people and learn about their lives. Another goal of mine is to help my family. They have always supported me, and I want to give back to them. I want to make them proud and show them that their hard work was not in vain. My parents have always worked hard to provide for me and my sister, and I want to repay them by being successful. As I look to the future, I feel excited but also a little nervous. I know that there will be challenges, but I am ready to face them. I believe in myself, and I know that with hard work and determination, I can achieve my dreams. I want to make the most of my life and do something meaningful. I am grateful for my friends and family who support me. They give me strength and motivation. I am also grateful for my teachers who guide me and help me learn. They have taught me not only about subjects like math and English but also about life. I know that the road ahead will not be easy, but I am prepared to walk it. I will continue to work hard in school, improve my writing, and chase my dreams. I believe that one day, I will achieve my goals and become the person I want to be. For now, I will keep studying, helping my mom at the bakery, playing basketball with my friends, and enjoying my life as a teenager. Every day is a new opportunity to learn and grow, and I am excited to see where life takes me. This is the story of Alvin, a young boy with big dreams and a bright future ahead of him. Through his everyday life, he learns the value of hard work, friendship, and family. Alvin's story reminds us that with determination and support, we can achieve anything we set our minds to. The end.